Hey guys, what up? It's your boy Beefy123 and today we're playing some more Pokemon Fighters EX. Did you see some? Fiona. Give a Squirtle if you don't have Fiona. Give a Squirtle if you don't have Fiona. Kill everybody! Kill every single person! I have Fiona, no I don't think so. Yes, that was a waste of the summon. People don't know where it is. It's in the secret part. No, it's not. No, it's not, wait. No, it's not, wait. That's what I found. Do we tell you where it is? Do we tell you where it is? That's what it was. You know that big shape thing? The ring and then ring and smaller? Yeah. It's at the very front of that. Someone took it. Nope. Those two people were just there and they haven't got it, so I know it's not that. He's there, honestly, Beast. I saw a dot there, and it was Fiona. Do you have it? Yeah. Oh, never knew that. What? Yeah. What is it? Where? Someone got it. Oh, right there. Someone got it. I'll catch it. There's too many things that are going on. Someone got it though. What's two gonna do? I didn't know who should go. Who should I go as? I think that I should go as. Who thinks I should go as V? No, Voltorb. I might go with Voltorb. But at least that has an animation. At least Voltorb has an animation. That's God. Basically, his evolution is just him upside down. Meow. What? Oh. Let's bring skins. Spring Railway. This has an animation then. Oh yeah, it does not even have an animation. Ah! That's cute. High friendship daytime. It's daytime. How do I get high friendship? I think I need some more. Something else. Sorry about this, guys. This is the exact level that I'm on, that I'm stuck on. This level is extremely hard. You can either go on the sides, or you can go through the middle. I know a cheat. I think I do. Yeah, there's that many. I thought there was 145. 1,545. 1,554. Oh, no. Oh. Yes. Sorry, guys. I'm back. Yellow. I think it's all yellows, no. No, I would not like to skip a stage. Yeah, they're all yellows. Oh, no. Yellow, green, I think. So it's yellow, green. Yep. Yellow, green. Yellow, green, purple. Yes. Easy. Oh! At least I died. At least I didn't hit that checkpoint. Oh yeah, I've already taken it. Which is the thing that was not something. Oh yay! 1 coin. How are you physically meant to do that jump? Ooh. I am really bad at hobbies. You know, guys, I think I'm going to end